Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been like 40,000 years since I've done a video or whatever, but I'm sorry. I will be back more this year. I have a huge surprise coming later on, but I'm trying to let stuff actually happen and actually go through before I mention anything, because I don't like to jinx stuff. So without further ado, before I even go along, honey, if you're not following me already, please do, because I'm going to be giving you all more tea, more of me, more designs, just some more stuff in general, period. So make sure that you all follow so you all aren't missing out. Make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and please share. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Well, it really came in a bag, so it's not really unboxing, but a lot of people on Facebook asked me about this Shein wig, and I've been doing a lot of research on it. This here, I actually wanted to do a birthday photo shoot. My birthday was on the 14th, but there was nothing available, so my birthday shoot is actually later on, and I'm thinking about using this wig. So here's the bag right here, y'all. I literally have not opened it yet, so this is gonna be my legit raw reaction. Two other things that I got press-on nails, just because I wanted to see the quality and if it was really like the picture. So if y'all don't know, I do press-on nails, so visit my Instagram, all her nails. That's where I do customs, and then I also have some that's pre-made already. What is this? Oh, this is the bag of hair. Child, I was like, I know I ain't ordered no clothes, but this is the bag. And then I also ordered some nail jewels. Okay, y'all, so the nails actually don't look too bad. This is it right here. It's a lot of sunlight towards me, so I actually can't tell what y'all can see. They're not terrible. They're not bad at all, actually. Okay, that's cute. Anywho, and then I also got these little teddy bear charms right here. So now on to the real thing, y'all, because y'all know I don't like long videos, so I'm gonna try to get to this the best that I can, honey. So here is the bag that it comes in. It says it's 100% virgin hair. We're gonna see about that, but the stats on this here is it is straight. It's supposed to be 108 density, and it's supposed to be 180 density, sorry, and it's supposed to be 28 inches long. So here's the bag. I will tell you from, I don't know if you all can see, but from the little specks that I see from the sun, that some parts of the hair are actually more like a dark brown, which is good because my hair is brown and not black. So I really don't like black wigs, and a lot of times if they come black, I do dye them or try to make them, try to lift it just a little bit. But so far, so good. So I will try to, or not try to, I will be installing this wig if I like it. You know, if I feel like it's bad, y'all, then I'm for sure gonna send it back, because this wig cost me, I'm gonna say, oh my god, stop sticking to my nails. I'm gonna put the actual price below, but it was definitely under $250. So this is a closure wig. I was thinking about the frontals, but I'm not a huge fan of frontals, to be 100% honest, because it's too much maintenance. So this is the lace. Technically it does sort of kind of match my skin, but just on the camera I can tell you, like, of course it's just brown lace, so I would have to customize this. So it does come with 1, 2, 3, dang, y'all, I cannot add 4 combs. It's one here in the back, and it does come with the adjustable straps. One thing that I will say, I'm gonna try this wig on, is that it does look like it's small head friendly. So I do have a Love Me wig, and that is one of my favorite wigs. What did I do with my, here it is. I'm gonna measure this to see if it's really 28 inches, because that is what I brought, 28 inches. And my Love Me wig is beautiful. I love it. It's my favorite wig. However, it is a little bit big on my head. Like, it gaps in the back. And my radius around my head is 20 inches. So I am going to try this on just to show y'all what it's like. So from here on down, so it's actually, dang, I know y'all can't see, it's actually giving about like 31. However, I purposely get longer wigs because I know I'm gonna cut the ends off. So see this little scraggly part down here? I don't really too much care for this because it's like hella thin. So I'll probably end up cutting this much off. So the hair is actually a darker brown. And I do see some red hairs in here, which shows me some parts of this is possibly horsehair. I'm just playing. But hold on. Good thing about hair that's already flat iron, honey. Just put this hair back, and my hair is dirty. This looks really small to be a 4x4. I feel like I've seen 4x4s that's bigger than this, but who knows? I might have been doing 5x5s and whatever else for so long that I forgot what it really looked like. Let me reconnect this. Okay, there we go. Okay, y'all, so good news. It is absolutely small head friendly, honey. So I will be customizing this wig and everything. I do want to find my comb so I can spread this out for y'all. Hold on, let me come right back. Okay, so right out the bag, first thing, yes, it does seem a little bit more like 150, not 180. I don't have the combs in here at all, and it still fits my head pretty nice. It is a tad bit loose, but like I said, I also have like, I didn't put the elastic all the way to the end to make it smaller. Another thing, okay, honey. I also don't have the combs hooked on to like my actual hair or anything like that. So, and see, the lace right here does not look that bad at all. Let me just see what the parting is looking like without me really doing anything. Okay, so two things. You definitely need to do the ball cap method up underneath here. One, my hair is dark, so that's a first and foremost. Another thing you also can do is insert some clip-ins in this hair if needed. But so far, y'all, I really like it. The hair is actually really soft. It is pretty long. Like, I did want the hair to at least come down here, but I will probably cut the hair like about right here, because as you can see, this is where the hair is most thick, and then down here it's just like whatever. So, oh, hold on, y'all, that's my actual edge is showing. So if I put it right here, you see it's not terrible, but you also can't really see the part either. So, oh honey, I just love the fact that my hair can just come on back. So as far as, you'll definitely have to customize this for sure. Bleach the knots and actually create a definite part, which is expected. It never said that it came with a part or anything like that. So this is pretty small, but I do feel like the wig is definitely constructed well. It also does not smell bad. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but it'd be irking me. Dang, y'all. That's why I hate having rhinestones on my nails. But so far so good, and I feel like it's soft. Like, it actually really does give me human hair vibes, although I do see, like I said, some red hair specks in here, which shows me that they probably did mix some types of synthetic in here. I probably am going to bleach the knots, and if I do, I'll show you how I customize this. But yeah, I'll most likely bleach the knots and then actually create a hairline, because although, I don't know if you can see, it is a little bit plucked, it's not as plucked as I would like it to be. So because I have another wig that I need to customize anyway, I might do this one today for sure and make sure that I record it for y'all and then get it over so that way y'all can see it. But so far, I actually pretty much like this. Like, this is not flat iron, not washed, anything. And this is how them Asians be doing it in the little vendor videos. They be doing all like this and stuff. But yeah, so far it's really flowy. It's no stiff, no well. And the hair is actually a dark brown. So I don't know if you all can see, but the hair is a dark brown. So this is the darkest part of my hair. Or maybe it's this part. Yeah, this is the darkest part of my hair. And my hair is dark brown. And then there's this. So this hair is actually brown, which is good. And there is short hairs up here in the front. I don't know if you all can see, but they're like this short. So there is short hairs in the front, but it's not bad. And I don't see a lot of short hairs anywhere else. My fingers go through it perfectly. Even with the rhinestones in there, it's not getting caught. So y'all, this might have been worth the money. Like, for real, it's not bad at all. So wait till I fully install it, honey. I can't wait. I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, so let me just spill the beans. See, I know I worked on this hair. I have a photo shoot today, so that's why I really wanted to get it. So here's how long it is. It goes down here. However, I'm gonna put the video down below. So when I kept looking at the wig, I flat ironed it. The ends was real thin, y'all. When I say thin, they were a lot more thin than what I wanted, and I felt like it just wasn't giving me what I wanted. It looked good, but it was like, okay. Now, I went to the beauty supply store and I just happened to look around, and they had 30-inch hair from Zuri, and it was $12.99 or $11.99. And I was like, you know what? Let me just grab a bundle. The only thing was that bundle was 1B, and this hair is actually like a 2, I want to say, to a 4. But honey, it's giving me the mom from Adam family, okay? This is giving me what I wanted. So I did do a little enhancement to this hair. However, everything else is pretty good. So I'm gonna do a close-up, y'all. This is like the lace or whatever. So I feel like it came out pretty natural. And luckily, I just glued this hair in so I could like always take some oil and take it back out. But I really added it for the thickness at the ends. And it turned out really nice. It's giving, oh, I don't have my earrings in. It's giving me exactly what I wanted. So I will say that I did do some enhancements to this hair, because after a while, after looking at it, it was real thin. Now, to be honest, I could probably just go to the beauty supply store now that I know that they have this hair and just make my own wig. But it's not bad. Like, I do pretty much really like the lace. This lace is not that bad compared to, sorry y'all, here y'all go. So yeah, it's not that bad. I prefer, and I think this was from the Got to Be Glued, so I don't know where this bad boy is going. But it's not bad at all. And of course it's a little bulky right here because this is where I put my little doo-doo braids. But other than that, I should have had this hair for my birthday, because it ain't bad. It's really not. It's really not that bad. There's a lot of short hairs. They do have some fillers up here, but of course, because it's not real human hair like they say. But it's really not 100% bad for the price. Would I probably pay for it again? Probably not. I'm gonna probably try this beauty supply store hair, because the beauty supply store hair also doesn't tangle as much and it doesn't shed as much either. So I'll probably try that out next for y'all. But as far as this lace part, the lace wasn't that bad either, and the cap does sort of kind of fit. So I did have to glue this wig down. But other than that, it is a little bulky in the back, but my head's small in the back, so most wigs don't really fit me like that. But Y'all let me know how y'all feeling. Let me know if I should have tried another one. I'm gonna put the exact link down below. And there was one other one, but I don't really know what the difference was between that one and this one. Maybe it was the lace on it, I don't know. But let me know what y'all think. And honey, we're gonna get this hair thing going, boo. But before y'all exit, hopefully y'all lasted this long. Like, comment, subscribe, share my channel, boo. And I will see y'all next time.